Alrighty guys, so welcome to this tutorial, and I will be teaching you how to change from one user to the other. So the first thing we want to do is we want to click on the application. Now remember guys, if you haven't downloaded the app, you should do that immediately as soon as possible so that you have the app ready to go. It's 8:57 p.m., but we are workaholics, so we're working on Tuesday, April 7th. So as you can see here, I have my personal account. I know that because there's a picture of me right there. And then you can click on that. And as you can see, I have my account here. It's a licensed account. You have settings, and you have a few options that you don't want to touch, at least in our account. So you want to go there to switch account. And you click on that. Once you're there, it's going to ask you for a new user, which is the email, right? And then password. So what you want to do here is you want to determine which room you're supposed to be offering a class. So say it's Monday and Wednesday class at 5:30, and you know that you're going to be teaching in room 101 in San Patricio, then you will use that username. And that username will be room, oops, 101 at Pan American Language, and then you would use the password that you already know. We gave you that password. I'm not going to say it because in case this video gets leaked, and then you sign in. And guess what, guys? You are set. As you can see here, you're now under the new account, Pan American Language Room 101, and hey, there's a message there. I'm going to erase that message. Okay, great. And then please do not touch these options that you can see here. Do not play with that. I would appreciate that very much. Later on, we'll probably set them up nice for you. And then if you want to go back, once you're done, okay, so once you're here in your account, as you can see, this is the account you'll be using, you'll see the meetings here. So we had set up a meeting that was supposed to run from 8:25 to 8:55. So you have a choice, an example of what a meeting would look like. You can start the meeting right away. You can delete it. Please do not do that. You can join from a room, which is something that not yet. We're not ready for that yet. And as you can see here, you have the recurring meetings. These are going to be the meetings that are going to be offered for all the groups. There's going to be a huge list here. So make sure that you have the adequate PALI or PACA name here, because that will be what will determine whether that's the group that you need to offer, okay? And that will give you the month, the days, and the hours and whatnot. So you just select that, and then you can start your meeting. Usually, I suggest that you log into this account or the account that you're going to be using a few minutes before the class, and those meetings will appear here because obviously they know what time it is, and we'll take care of that, okay? So this may change a little bit. We may change this picture and whatnot, but that's basically it. And if you want to go back to your personal account, which you need to do once you're done with your class, you click again here. Now you go to switch account, and in my case, I only have to change this, and then you put the new password for your personal account, and you sign in. And as you can see here, now it's my personal account. That's basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you to understand how to switch accounts in Zoom. Remember, and to download that app. Bye-bye.